Sure. How do I do this? I've done this before. I just got to remember how I do this.
It's an all new world in it. I mess it up half the time.
Okay, so let's see. Put in waiting. Oh, here we go. Okay, we will bring you back in, and as soon as she comes on.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Mr. Bai. How are you doing?
Very well, and thank you to all for waiting on me.
Sure. Okay, so are we ready to go? Are we? Is anybody else that needs to be logged on, or?
I don't think so, Your Honor.
No,
Okay.
Judge.
Okay, Mr. Slavin, it's your motion if you want to go ahead.
Well, this is a status conference, right? Or
Yes.
we filed, just to give you an update, we recently filed a summary judgment motion,
Okay,
and that would need to be set for a hearing
okay,
to give them time to respond. The only issue with that, Your Honor, I understand there may be some, you may not have the software or app to watch the video on of the accident. There's a video of the
right.
accident so I don't know. I know Ben was talking to my secretary about that, and so we're trying to figure out how to get that so that you could view it. I think we.
Can you view it on your computer there?
Yeah, I can show it, and I can show the video from my computer.
And I could share the screen and then you could.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think my IT guy said that was possible, so I've got it set up to do that. I don't know if we could
You want to do a test run to see if it works?
run to see if it works.
Sure, let's try it.
Georgina,
Hold on.
have you seen it, Georgina? I know your prior counsel. I don't know. Is that Ruben? Is he no longer with your group, or?
You may be referring to Rolando, and no, he's no longer with us.
Oh, I'm
I
sorry.
know that just as of yesterday, we yet didn't have the capability to watch the video. So I'll be watching it for the first time as well, together with
Well,
you.
okay, just so you know, we had a problem before the lawsuit was filed, and you were able to view it. He was able to view it. So I don't know, I know things get lost when people shuffle in and out. So, but we'll help you get that.
Thank you.
Let's see if we can show it here. Now, do I need to share my screen? Yeah, let me do
Yes,
that.
you need to share your skin. I've given you
Okay.
the permission to do so.
So let's see if is that showing?
Sure.
Okay.
I see.
Right at the top center, you'll see the truck and then the accident at the very top. Okay, so everyone could see that?
Yes.
Okay, great. So maybe when we do the hearing, I can just re-show that. I think it's, if I could stop it, hang on. I think you see a car stopped at the intersection.
Yes.
You see the shadow of it.
Yes.
And then that starts running with cars coming through. And then the defendant's truck is there. The red car is my client's car, just to orient the judge. Right
Okay.
there, my client's car, and that's the defendant's car. Okay, good. Well, we'll just save that again, and I'll
Okay.
for you, but I want to make sure that worked, that I could share that. And Georgina, we'll work so you can have it, so you can look it over in more detail.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
So
That's really all that's pending now. The thing's been on hold for the pandemic. The defendant asked for a jury trial. I don't know, Georgina, if you still want to do that, or in JP court, or if a bench trial would take not as much time, but.
We do ask for a jury trial as a matter of course, but I will certainly, now that the question is kind of on the table, let me take a closer look.
Yeah, and so the purpose of my motion was trying to limit what it's a partial motion, Your Honor. So it leaves the pain and suffering of the driver, who's a stepson of the owner of the car. This claim has two parts: the owner of the car for the property damage to his car, and then his stepson for the medical bills and personal injuries.
okay.
So that's why there's two plaintiffs, but they have two different claims. So
Okay.
that's the background.
Okay. So we need a date for the partial summary judgment, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Then can we give them a date, and how far off do you want it, and give us a ballpark of how far off you want it.
I think it needs to be at least 21 days. No, there's
Okay.
So anytime after 21 days is.
Okay. Ben, do you want to shoot it out and see if it works?
Sure, I have the 25th of May at 9 a.m.
Perfect.
That would work for me. I'm out the 26th on, but I'm here the 25th of May, if that works for Georgina.
It most certainly does. Thank you.
Okay. I will set it.
Okay.
I'll
And
see
so
you then.
That's
You'll
all
get a
I
new,
have.
okay, you'll get a new Zoom log on and we'll see you on the 25th.
And
Thank you, everyone.
Georgina, if you want to call me beforehand, please do.
I'm sure that I'll have to, and I thank you for that.
All right, thank you.
Bye, everyone.
All right,
Thank you.
bye-bye. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ken. You take care.
You too.
Let me. That should. I think maybe I don't, know if I can, oh, let me try that. Yeah, I can end it. I'll see you, Ken. Thank you.
Oh, I guess you gave me power.
Yes, I gave you power. I couldn't.
I
I had to
didn't
figure
know
out-
what to do with it.
I had to figure